To see what they have here. We're gonna make some really delicious things today in the studio. I'm really looking forward to it. You guys keep watching and see what Hiro's gonna do. All right, our favorite food, hot avocado.
Yes, I'm gonna have three avocado. 39 is very expensive.
Ooh, $40 for that. See what do they have here?
Oh, this salmon caviar.
All right, how much is it? Here.
It was $12.99.
$12.99. Okay. All right, Hiro-san.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Back from buying a few things from the store. We're making one of my favorite things I used to make in the restaurant with tuna, but we're going to do it with salmon and kind of make it a little fancy. What are we making today, Hiro?
Salmon bonbon.
All right. Well, so what's inside?
This one. Special salmon.
A beautiful salmon from Backfrost. This is Heimland. Basically means homeland. And these are the portion pieces. There's so many different options you guys can use. And what else? We have, of course,
Avocado.
house avocado. You're going to do a spicy mayo, of course, right? And then top it off with some beautiful yogurt.
Yes.
All right. This is very simple, but if you guys can make this at home, try to do it. You can impress your friends. Besides that, it is so delicious. All right, here, son.
Okay, this one put into bowl. If you keep an hour, what's going on is because this too many oil stuff, mayonnaise and sriracha, so it's too juicy, you know. It's hard to make in the bowl shape.
Yeah, how to shape it, right?
So best way is after salmon absorb the sauce.
Okay.
It's more better. Yeah. Okay, next one I wanna cut avocado. Perfect. Next one, I'm gonna make a spicy salmon bowl first. Like this. First one, I just need this much. This one, like this. On the top, and pick up. Then this side, squeezing. Then make a shape.
All right, to the tasting part. Beautiful Highland salmon by Becker Frost. Looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. Hey, Rosan, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Mm.
That's a big bite, huh?
Mm-hmm.
A lot of salmon in one bite. How's the salmon taste?
Good.
Yeah, we love Becker Frost salmon. You guys got to try it at home. We've been pushing it, and for good reason. It's not only something that we've been using in the restaurant for so many years, since we started the restaurant, but it's our favorite thing to eat. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you, Hiro-san.